Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Sammart 7.5 liter collapsible dish pan, and it has the drain plug. Now, I bought the gray and steel blue. I've unboxed it. It really just came in some wrapping. Comes with the little information sheet, and one of the most important probably to people is going to be the fact that it is BPA-free. So there is a full view of this bucket. Now, what I plan to use it for, and the reason I bought it, is probably camping. Buckets like this, especially collapsible ones. I have an old van that I like to camp in, and things like this are great to save space, and they're very useful. We have a handle on both sides for carry. Another feature that I like are these step-up legs on the bottom. That's going to be convenient, especially when you drain this bucket. So let's undo the drain plug. That's all there is to it, right there. And now, because it is raised a little bit, you can use this in your sink or wherever, and it'll easily drain water. Now, it's pretty sturdy. You're going to have to put a little bit of push down effort to make it collapse, which is a good thing. You want that. So that's it. You can see that it's not very thick. That's going to be easy to store away. Let's do a quick real world measurement. It's 12.5 inches wide by 11, right at 11 inches deep. The bucket is about 7.5 inches tall. Now, I'll be using this for camping, like I said, but in the Amazon comments, I saw a lot of ladies with babies who are breastfeeding. They're using this to clean their equipment and their bottles. So I never thought of that, but yeah, that'd be a great idea. Okay, thumbs up from me. I'd like it. I think you will too.